how are we going to get these stories generated? So we're going to use OpenAI's API to get the scary stories, and we're going to use their official Node.js SDK. But first, let me commit all the changes that we've made so far. I'm using GitHub Desktop, but you can use whatever suits you. These DS stories I am not going to commit, so let's add it to the git ignore. I do want to commit the package lock, and I do want to commit wix.config.json, and I do want to commit the code changes that we made on the home page. I'll open a new tab, and what we want to do is wix install OpenAI. Let's see what changed in our project. Back to GitHub, you can see that the OpenAI dependency was added to our package.json and to our package lock, and that our package lock was updated with OpenAI's dependencies as well. Also in velo dependencies.json, the OpenAI dependency was added. So now we can use it.